day, everyone, and welcome to today's trading forecast. Today's trading forecast is for the time period of October 16th to the time period of October 22. If today is your first time to be on my trading forecast, please like, share this content, subscribe to our channels, our social media handles, and please try as much as possible to share with me your own ideas and your own analysis on our own channels and social media channels. Thank you so much. My name is Anthony Phillips Njoko, and I am a Forex trader for 12 years now. And I'm also a crypto trader for 5 years. I've been trading the financial markets both in the bullish time and in the bearish times. And with the help of the knowledge I've gathered from 5 institutions nationwide and companies I've traded for both locally and internationally, I've been able to manage funds of about $10,000 to $50,000. And I hope that you dive into our website, www.10xdigitallane.com, to sign up to learn how to trade the digital market, to learn how to get involved in real estate business and also commodity stocks, indices. Thank you so much. So for today's trading forecast, we'll be starting with DXY. DXY represents the strength of dollar. It's a dollar index. So currently you can see this pattern formed on DXY. It is called the expanding flag. So what this pattern shows us is that there is high and strong move to the upside. There is volume being accumulated at this point. So from my own view, you can see that we have an ascending channel and we have a monthly bearish order block where we expect the market to go to. If you go back to our previous 2 Sundays videos, you'll be able to know how I pointed out this monthly order block. So currently the strength of dollar is still strong. So buy more dollar. We're buying dollar on the high side. We're expecting dollar to increase on a daily basis. And currently you can see we're on the 4 hours time frame. So as the market opens, we'll be expecting a little correction and still the push to the upside. So thank you so much. To also break down more charts, we'll be watching out for the week. One of the most traded pair, EURUSD. We can see that we have an expanding flag, but in the opposite direction, because Euro is the base currency and USD is the quote currency. So the inverse strength of the DXY is what we are expecting at this point. And you can see where we have marked out the bull point of interest. These are our points of interest. So when the market opens, we'll be expecting a little correction and then push to the downside. Our point of interest is the point 0.96000. 0.96000. You might be wondering how we found this. This is a tip. Over here, we have a spiritual candle. 2 red candles that formed an engulfing candle. So over here, it was engulfed. That's why we marked out that point as our point of interest for the bulls to now start looking for buys. But for now, we're expecting EURUSD to keep dropping down to that point. Then the next is GBPUSD. All of us know that the GBP or the Britain or London is unstable right now, and the drop is currently temporal. This drop we're expecting is currently temporal. We can see a H4 validation point here, which I marked out, a H4 validation point. And when the market comes at this validation point, I'm looking for buys on GBPUSD. Although we have to watch out for the news to confirm our buy side. You don't just jump into the market. You have to wait for your confirmation bias before you jump into the market. So let's watch out. Over here at this ash box, we have a Fibonacci retracement point from the low to the high, giving us the 50 to 60% point here, which is also forming as a support. So both with the confluence of the H4 validation point, we'll be expecting a buy to the upside. Do you understand? Thank you. So now when we enter a buy to the upside, we have a validation point, a bearish validation point here, which we'll be expecting to give the market a reversal, a little reversal before we continue to the upside up to this daily validation point. So the next pair on our list is AUDUSD. I admire this pair so much. It's more like I have a spell for this pair. Whenever I cast a spell on it, it always do what we expect it to do. So currently on AUDUSD, we expect the market to continue dropping to the downside, and we have marked out our point of interest. Our point of interest is 0.59859, which is the daily bullish order block. So from here now, we're expecting a little retracement and continuation to the downside, showing that dollar is still strong because dollar is the quote currency. So the next on our list is oil. Please pay close attention. Pay close attention on this information I'm about to give to you. The whole war between Russia and Ukraine has caused the prices of oil in the United States of America to increase because the current president of United States of America, which is Biden, has been selling the reserves, the oil reserves in the United States of America, helping other countries and supplying these reserves within the country to sustain the prices of products and services. So last week we said that the price of oil will drop, which it did. And then we based on the OPEC cut of barrels, we are seeing that both the technicals and the fundamentals are pointing to the upside, the same direction for an increase in price very soon. So the price of oil increases and the price of products and services will definitely increase, which is going to cause global inflation. The costs of transportation will increase. The costs of land will increase. The costs of renting any property will increase. So my advice to you is that you should find a way to make passive income or find a way to start earning income, residual income on a daily basis, so you can be able to sustain yourself heading into the inflation. Currently, we had a correction to the downside, which made price to subdue, But in the next 2 to 3 months, we're expecting price to increase, the price of oil to increase to the $100 mark. And when that happens, it's global inflation, global recession. So know what you buy with your money and stay focused. Next is gold. Gold is on our list. So gold, on gold, we have a point of interest, which is a bullish point of interest. Like you can see, we have another spiritual candle here. This is 3 red candles added together. It's called candlestick mat. So we have a bullish order block which we're expecting the market to come down to, which is at the point of 1630. Okay, $1,630. So that's what we're expecting the price to come down to, $1,630 per ounce of gold. But before it goes down to that point, we're expecting a reversal up to this point to pick up some orders before we expect the drop to this downside. And then from this point, we now start looking for the next reaction. We're not saying that we're going to get a reversal or we're going to get an accumulation, but from this point, we start looking for the next reaction. Then the next and the last on our list is Bitcoin. Over here on Bitcoin, you can see that we have been having a little bit of sound. We are having a little bit of crazy moves. We have been having a little bit of instability of price. So Bitcoin just keeps ranging between the 18,000, 19,000, 20,000 mark. And currently we can see that it has come down to this bullish order block. And based on the Fibonacci retracement from the swing low to the swing high, we can see that we are seeing some a reversal candle. And from here, we can be expecting the market to go up back to the upside. Because of this is an accumulation phase, we can just keep trading demand to demand to supply and supply to demand, demand to supply and supply to demand, buys and sells. That's what we can see currently. But if you're not a consolidation or accumulation trader, stay off the market. But we're expecting the price of the market to go up. We're expecting the price of Bitcoin to increase. So thank you so much for being on today's Rise and Grind and today's trading forecast. I really appreciate your endeavor to learn, to grow, and to also become a profitable investor. So to mark out the days when we come to the chart to be able to analyze the market and take our trades, we can see on the calendar, we see that Euro on Monday by 9 a.m. West African time, we're expecting a speech by the Euro Central Bank, and that could cause what? Liquidity to come into the market. Then on Tuesday, AUD will be having their own meeting, and that could cause liquidity to come into the market. Then Wednesday, we can see the CPI for Euro. This is a very, very important news, a CPI for Euro. So we'll be trading the Euro against the USD pair on Wednesday. Why on Thursday, you can see the AUD, we have the unemployment rate, the employment change, and then the USD news on Thursday. So we'll also be trading AUD on Thursday. So it's more like Euro Monday, AUD Tuesday, Euro Wednesday, AUD Thursday. So now we have our trading plan. Thank you so much. Do not overtrade. Mind the risk you take. Be focused on the chart when you're trading. Have your sessions to trade. New York, London, it's all up to you. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this, and come into my DM if you need any more support. Have a wonderful day.